All right. So what I did so far is I did test cube. So I'm trying to test my printer tolerances, how accurate the dimensions are. So I made a cube, 10 millimeters each size, and printed it so far. So I wonder if tolerances are different for holes. So what I want to do is I'm gonna make a 10 millimeter hole and see what happens. And I'm gonna print it two ways. Um, Z-axis go normal, and then flip it on the side. So this is gonna be my radius dimension is 10 millimeters, and I want to make another one. Dimension, there's going to be 12, just so I have a little bit of a wall around it. And we're gonna extrude this guy. Huh. Well, no, I don't want to do it that way. I want the outer one to be square, actually. Yes. This is going to equal to this. All right, perfect. And now extrude. Okay. So now I have 10 millimeter hole, which I can print. So that was the cube, and that's gonna be the hole. All right, so the first print is gonna be this direction. Actually, why don't I print them both? And the other one, we're going to flip like this. Okay, and see what's gonna happen. So that's just testing with different tolerance depending on how the hole was printed. I'm gonna go ahead and print